Hey beautiful, this is a makeup tutorial inspired by Blackpink Lisa in the How You Like That poster. I'm gonna dive right into it. We're gonna do a very soft smoky eye in neutral colors. I'm starting off with this BLK Cosmetics all over my eyes. It dries easily, so you have to blend it really fast, but don't worry because it doesn't have to look perfect right now. I'm gonna layer a MAC SOBA eyeshadow on top, and this is just to prevent creasing. Notice how I'm blending it into the outer V to elongate my eyes, and then I'm picking a darker color and basically just repeat what we did, except this time narrow down the sides where you're applying it. We are gradually darkening the eyes for that smoky effect. The next step is a no-brainer. Get a black eyeshadow and focus on the outer V. Try to make it a cat eye shape as possible, and then use a KOHL liner on your waterline and smudge it like so. Don't forget to include your tear duct as well. After that, line your upper lash line even more and then apply a pair of mini or short false lashes, or you can just use a mascara. I'm just focusing on the lash line, making sure that I have no sharp edges. I applied a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes as well. The lashes aren't the main feature. In fact, maybe just a curl could also work. The important thing is that you blended your warm smoky eye and smudged your liner seamlessly. Time to do our face next. This depends on whatever you have. I'm just using something that will make my skin look healthy. So I'm using Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and IT Cosmetics Concealer, both brands which are known for skincare and makeup in one. Blend this using a sponge and Misty Legend Mist to build up a nice coverage, and then set it in place with powder. Once you've built up your base smoothly, you can then emphasize your contour and blush. I'm using my favorite blush and contour combo because both products look really natural on my skin, especially the Hourglass blush, which has highlighting properties in it. Speaking of highlight, today we're going to use a liquid highlighter. This is the controversial BECCA Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Opal, and I love this in powder form too, so you could wear them both to prolong your highlight power. Apply this basically everywhere. We are almost done. Next is lining your lips with a nude lip liner. This is MAC Boldly Bare, which is perfect for every day, and then on top is another MAC product, which is a lipstick in the shade Sandy B. I actually went back and made a few alterations by adding a darker lipstick in the middle, and it was only when I was editing this video that I realized it actually was okay earlier. To finish the look, I'm adding some accessories, which look hideous on me by the way. Lisa, how do you do it? And then groom my brows quickly, even though you don't really see my brows under my wig, which also looks off TBH, but I was kind of hoping I could pull it off. And voila, how you like that? Let me know who your favorite Blackpink member is. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, turn the notification bell on if you want more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.